How to reset network settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear all network configurations and start fresh on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on General Management to open the management settings. From there, tap on Reset to see all the available reset options. At this point, tap on Reset Network Settings to open the network reset page. In the next step, read through the information on the screen. This will reset your mobile network settings, APN configurations, and VPN settings back to their defaults. Following this, tap Reset Settings to proceed. Once done, you may be asked to enter your PIN or password to confirm. Go ahead and enter it. From here, tap Reset once more to confirm, and your device will apply the changes and restart automatically. Finally, once it boots back up, your network settings will be completely fresh, which can help resolve issues like no service, slow data, or connection drops. And that's it. If this guide helped you reset network settings on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.